Hi, Tom here with this week's Circle Line Art School Drawing Challenge. To draw 1 point perspective, start by drawing a horizontal line across your page and then a vanishing point in the centre of the horizon line. Next, draw 2 vertical lines to the left of the vanishing point. In 1 point perspective, all vertical lines will stay vertical and all horizontal lines will stay horizontal unless they are receding towards the vanishing point. Next, we can draw a rectangle around the vanishing point, making sure that the horizontal lines are horizontal with the horizon line, the first line that we drew, and the vertical lines are vertical to the earlier vertical lines that we have in our drawing. Next, we can use the vanishing point and draw a series of 4 lines, diagonal lines, coming towards us from the corners of the rectangle. We can find the exact angle of these lines so that they work in 1 point perspective by using our 1 point, our vanishing point, which is in the centre of the drawing. Once we have 4 of these lines coming from the rectangle, then we've sort of created a room or a hallway on the right of the drawing, with a wall coming towards us in the middle, just off the middle of the drawing. Next, we can draw a door. Draw a vertical line first, and then the top diagonal line, we can find that using the vanishing point to find the direction of the line that we need. Then we can draw the second vertical line to create the door frame. Next, we can draw another door on the back wall, just using a simple rectangle. So now we have 2 door frames. We can give the door frames a thickness. Starting with the door frame on the right, we can draw a short horizontal line for the thickness of the door, and then the receding line, we can use the vanishing point. And then for the vertical line, it will just stay vertical. And then on the further door, the door further away from us, we can use the same technique of vertical lines stay vertical, horizontal lines stay horizontal, but any lines which are receding away from us will go directly towards our vanishing point. When you're ready, you can tidy up your drawing and get rid of any guidelines that you don't need anymore. If you'd like to learn more about how to draw and how to draw in perspective, please consider visiting my website circlelineartschool.com, where you will find full details of my online drawing courses. Next up, you can see the drawing unfold so that you can draw along. For this drawing, I use a 4B pencil and an A4 piece of paper. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If you'd like to learn more about how to draw, please consider visiting circleartartschool.com, where you will find full details of all of my online drawing courses. Thanks for watching. See you next time.